Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ke Sorkar Jila uba Sanbor Shulai, ubadir MLA Kalaban constituency. Ulaong bala sausian ula job yaki election MLA na ke constituency jong balada ushu Thiah no Ïing hak election banwanru unsa job benhi. Yakni ulakran hak program bala penong da ketenat social welfare berketenat person with disabilities banyarab berkersha nik baru na dekhotmet da ba ais ngobha da ki artificial limb ne ki kti ki kechat bashubo yaki haba ajingkran kumukong san hakan gesngi uba Sanbor ulong ba thong jong na do ba udang red kalong ban shakri ki pat ba bat kamoto jong kalong ka jing shakri ye ubriu kade ka jing shakri ye ublei ulayaro ya ketenat person with disabilities bari ka social welfare bakila le akni ka kam ban ajing rap ki badan kam dak ba ulakan tu bakim dai ban klat ba nu ka jing shakri ka baki le ki pat ba badan kam kade ka jing shakri ye ublei ule thu shaphang ka jing em jung ha ka por bodang khna ba wan ka long Ïing ka badung ka basa da ka Ïing wai badon tang ar kamra handai da ka jing tre shitom da ka jing ko ngo ikik mikik pa ba ka jing burom yaki bala he alasan ka penong yu banong kumni kuma ulong shu ula ainuk saru yu Dr. Rajendra Prasad u Abdul Kalam ba menteri rang ba adu kari u Narendra Modi ki badai ki bawan na ka long Ïing ka baduk handai ki kala long kinong yalam barat ba jong kari
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Shonchiro Adashi, the Managing Director of Chief Operating Officer, Ilekshon Private Limited.
At the outset, I congratulate the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Social Welfare Department and State Council for Science and Technology, Environment and Legal for organizing this initiative and initiate in collaboration with the Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities on the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Ilekshon India Private Limited. This program reflects our collective commitment to empowering persons with disability through innovation, technology, and compassion service delivery. It demonstrates the impact that can be achieved when government institutions, professionals, and private innovators work together towards inclusion and accessibility. I would like also to acknowledge the contribution of Ilekshon India Private Limited, a pioneer in advanced prosthetic technology, through the use of 3D scanning, digital design, artificial intelligence and advanced manufacturing. Ilekshon is helping persons with disability regain mobility, independence and confidence. Such innovations are making quality prosthetic care more affordable and accessible, especially in remote regions. I am also pleased to learn that along the prosthetic fitment program, today continuing rehabilitation education CRE program from scanning to prosthetics and to on training in 3D digital fabrication is conducted by EDU and PPD in collaboration with Ilekshon India Private Limited. Through various welfare schemes, scholarships, aids, and appliances, transport assistance, pensions, and other support measures. We are working to improve the quality of life of persons with disabilities across the state. Accessible India campaign is also being actively implemented in the area. Efforts are being made to improve accessibility in public buildings and government websites, so that 41 government buildings and 85 government websites has been made accessible, and initiatives are on the way to improve accessible transportation. However, building an inclusive society is not the responsibility of the government alone. It requires the active participation of institutions, professional civil societies, and citizens. I urge all officers, educators, healthcare professionals, and stakeholders present here to become ambassadors of inclusion and ensure that our policies, programs, and workplace are accessible and welcoming to all. As we gather here today, let us renew our commitment to building a society that leaves no one behind. Let us continue to embrace innovation, strengthen partnerships, and empower persons with disability to lead life with dignity, independence, and purpose. I congratulate all the partner organizations and professionals involved in this initiative. I listen my heartfelt best wishes to all the 12 beneficiaries receive education and mobility, confidence and success in years ahead. And I would like just to share that in my constituency, person with disability, both men, women, boys and girls, they are having government scheme for the last 12 years, 100%. And other schemes also which are not narrate due to the time constraint, because we have got so many programs also to attend. What I would like to share with you, friends, that my motto, since my young age, where I have, since that I was in class 7, I started involving in my social activities. And since that time, the leaders of various church committees in my birthplace, Ngan, is a cosmopolitan locality established by the then British government. It's a big area. We are living in Ngan, a first cosmopolitan area comprises of all community, all faith and religion, and we are taught to live like our own brother and sister, to love and respect each other. So this is what we see each and every one of you, that since my young age, I remember my motto is service to people is service to God. So today will be a remarkable day that the Department of Social Welfare with the Department of Persons with Disabilities, you have done a very wonderful job in extending help, support to our brother and sister, the person with a disability, and you have selected the genuine beneficiaries of 12 from all over our state, Nigeria. Whatever service that you have rendered today, to each and every one of them who really needs our help and support, you have done it. So don't forget, whatever service that we have done for the people, service to God, in my life experience. You also will get a blessing, especially and a miracle blessing from the Almighty God. In my life experience, I came from a very poor BPL family from Ghana. I was born and brought up in a 2 small room in a rented house in Laban. But my parents are very strong. So this message I'm giving to all the beneficiaries. So we fight for the rights, we are disciplined, we honor, we respect our parents, we respect our elderly people. And you will see, before I wind up my speech, based on the records. For example, Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji, he also living from a poor family from a village, born in a thatch house. They don't have the capacity to buy kerosene oil, his parents. When the street light is on in the evening, so he'll run and start studies beneath the street light. And at the end of the day, God bless him, and he has become holding the prestigious post as the President of India. He is from the poor family. So many of them. Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, even only helping his father in distributing akhbar in Hindi, which means newspaper. House to house, akhbar. And in the end of the day, he has become a scientist. He has occupied the highest post of the country, the President of India. And coming to our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. You know, after school, he will go around and assist his father in selling chai, selling tea, adjacent to the railway track. So, but at the end of the day, he has become a very powerful, respectable person, leader, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. So I feel proud that I really thanks to the Almighty God that I was also born in a small house, rented house. In Laban, after coming from school, I used to have my mother at Yodak Laban, particularly in selling vegetable charcoal, helping until 8 a.m. at night. Later, that is our life, and I didn't dream also, nobody dreams that I'll become I have got that guts. Do I hear from a poor family? I keep it in my mind that I'm born to eat. I should eat. I need the locality, I need various NGOs in my locality and find them. I didn't also dream that I will become the MDC undisputed for 5th consecutive term for Black constituency and 4th term MLA from this constituency undisputed. And in the next election, I'll just sleep at home. I will with the helping basically. Thank you, Kubeng. Very
Barok ki breu ki khmi yakalaway babha ki wat yakajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya mankasni kalong kajing stang bathuma ki jingikai bapura katkom kajuk kabamta. Ke MIT University kadan bunjait ki course pat ki jingikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, bat QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjop ki urlong bat ki galalong ka jungshisha.
MIT University Meghalaya ka jingya lenti ka bastang shakalaway bachok.